that one. So I basically put the bike like that here and spend some time to tie it up with a spare tube. Cut it. Now let's retire so that we can use it's gonna be easier. So let's move this out of the way. Let's start unboxing this. It's a little more than $100. Made in Taiwan, YC100 BH. According to the reviews, this is good. Well, that product looks good. We'll see. And it's out of the box. You can use it right away. Ooh. It's kind of heavy. Oh. We have this. And what else? Oh, this is for tools. And what else? That's it. Put this now out of the way. Looks decent. This is actually my first bike repair stand. I'm graduating from my wooden bike stand that I've been using to repair my bike. Okay, let's see the claim that it's easy to set up. First, I'm not even reading the instructions, but I guess we can figure it out. Okay, it says, well, I guess I have to read the instruction a bit. Let's see. What do we have? Okay. I guess there. You just pull it. There. Oh, okay. Okay, got the manual. Let's read it. Okay, you just pull that, what I'm doing before. There's really not much instruction here. It's pretty self-explanatory. It's just hard to, I guess, you can do it like that. Oh, here. We have to, oops, you don't see it. You have to unlock. Yeah. There. Okay, good. Good thing I did not force it. It's not that tight anyway. Let's go back. There. And then let's face. There. Let's zoom. Oops, sorry. Now let's unclip, put it up, clip, and we can extend this. There. Use the control. Oh, this is the one to put this. Yep. Oh, see, I'm not reading any manual. You have to unclip this here, this one, and then push up, and then good. Now, putting it up, you don't need to. It will just click, I suppose. Let's see. There you go. You heard that click. Down, up. Now we can extend this. What is this? Oh, this is to be able to rotate it. But how do you? Oh, this is for, let's see. Okay, I can feel it tightens if I rotate it counterclockwise. If I do it clockwise, look. Now I can rotate it. This is, it locks. So watch this here, rotate clockwise, it tightens. No, counterclockwise. Rotate counterclockwise, you see? So now you can rotate it. I'm just hoping that you can rotate it easily. Yes, you can. But, okay, see? Tightens. With my wooden stand, I put those rubber or the inner tube, hoping that there will be some space to not pinch the cable here, this cable. Now this one has that space. Counterclockwise, pull it up. See, there is a ridge here. Good for the cable. So I can put this here. You see this cable here? It sits comfortably on the ridge. You see this thing? Which is good. And it will sit comfortably in there. See? That's good. I like that. Let's lock it. Now I can lock it. Oh, so you can adjust this. See? It can move like this until it clips. And the cable is good. It's not pinching the cable to the frame, so you're not gonna scratch it. I like that. That's what I'm trying to achieve in my own made stand. I have to lower it down. Let's see if it's easy enough. With the bike on, let's see. It's not oh yeah. Even with the bike on, I can just do that. Okay, that's the minimum. That's the minimum height. Tool container. There. And we can put it. Where do we put this? Oh, there's a slot in here. 1, 2. I would say for this. To be honest, I just do it, figuring it out as I go. There are no manuals that I read, but it looks easy enough to figure out. Yeah, I love figuring out things. And then you put the screw here to hold it. There you go. And same thing on the other side. You don't have to see it. That's almost the same. It's exactly the same. There you go. Put the tools in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 compartments. And when you're done, well, you don't even have to remove this. As you have seen before, you can fold this with all the hex, whatever bike tools you have, and pretty much this handle as a case, or this serves as a case as well. It's also easy to unclip, just there. If you want to make some adjustment, counterclockwise, so you can completely remove the bike. There, enough space. Easy beatsy. So looking closer to the frame, I thought this is just like a 1-inch diameter circular. Let's see. It's about 2 inches. There, about this. So it's not small. It's big. And I think because of supporting 55 pounds, that's the maximum. And this stem is pretty much 2 inches in diameter, I would say. It's not that heavy. Well, for me, it's light. You can see the official weight of that on the site. Let's see if the official weight is on the manual. Looking at this very skimpy manual, maybe if I go to their site and click this QR code, I will see more details. I'm 5'8", so it's about my waistline. It's good enough. And the max height, 5'5".